Welcome, and thank you for taking some time to join me today. I'm Donna Rodriguez, Customer Support Manager here at ClickSafety. I'd like to take a moment to discuss with you who we are here at ClickSafety. ClickSafety has had a long-standing history as an industry leader in online safety and compliance training. With over 10,000 satisfied customers, our training solutions have been proven to reduce risk and operational cost to your business. I and the whole team here at ClickSafety want to help you build a comprehensive safety culture for you and your team. When discussing ClickSafety, we are often asked, what are the benefits to online training? The answer is simple. Our courses are designed to meet the needs of your business with pace flexibility for your user. All while, we continuously review our courses to contain the most up-to-date safety information and regulations. Our self-paced courses allow your users to take training at their leisure, anytime, anywhere. They have access to their training 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. We also receive questions regarding our popular OSHA 10 and 30-hour training. Questions like, are you an authorized trainer? Which OSHA courses do you offer? Will I get a Department of Labor wallet card after I complete my training? Let me start by answering the question, are we an authorized trainer? Not only are we an authorized trainer, but we were the first OSHA online provider to be able to offer the OSHA 10 and 30-hour courses virtually. Next is, which courses do we offer? We offer a variety of multilingual versions of OSHA training. We offer OSHA 10-hour construction, OSHA 30-hour construction, California OSHA 10-hour construction, OSHA 10-hour general industry, OSHA 10-hour road builders construction, and to round out our training, we also offer our OSHA 10 and 30-hour construction and our OSHA 10-hour general industry in Spanish. We even offer an even more secure version of our OSHA 10 and 30-hour construction courses with our voice authentication. As a quick overview and introduction to our course, this is what your users will see once they begin their training. It's as easy as following along and clicking next. Our proctor will read the course out to you and prompt you for any type of interactives needed on the screen. Again, our course is as easy and simple as clicking the next button. To follow up this question, will I receive an OSHA DOL card? The answer to this question is also a yes. All versions of our OSHA 10 and 30-hour courses qualify you to receive your official Department of Labor wallet card processed by our very own OSHA Training Institute. I would also like to mention that ClickSafety is far more than just OSHA training. We offer over 300 different courses that will meet your needs in construction, manufacturing, environmental safety and health, mining, and so many more. If you'd like to know more about ClickSafety, our courses and services, please reach out to our amazing team via email at support@clicksafety.com or over the phone at 1-800-971-1080. You can also visit our website at www.clicksafety.com. We look forward to hearing from you, and remember, let's build our safety culture together.